almost beyond words. I'm choked up about it. It appalls me that people could do this and then think that this is okay to eat for a start, but just to be able to treat animals like this in any shape or form is just so wrong. It makes me sick. The smell is just absolutely overwhelming. And these animals, amazing, absolutely amazing. I wish I could take every one of them out and let them give them a good home.
But only just. It's freezing, so I'm just going to give it some warmth until we get out of here. Rescue, and there's always been one thing looking at things on the video or photographs, but to actually come here and see it in front of me and touching it and smelling how disgusting it is here, it's very upsetting. He's obviously been injured at some stage and he can hardly walk, which is why he's a lot smaller than the other birds. It's been damaged and then it's grown like that.
Let's go somewhere else. Yeah.